All right, guys, today I am doing an open house for one of the most beautiful homes in Brentwood, Tennessee. So let's go together. How about it? I typically will put up like 4 to 5 directional signs that are branded with my face on them and all of that, just to kind of make things a little easier. Most people are using maps on their phone or whatever, but it's just like a visual aid that kind of helps make a connection right out the gate and just gives a little bit of a better experience. So I try to do an open house just about every weekend because it gives me the opportunity to meet people, and I love people. It also puts more eyeballs on the listing, so when you're trying to sell a house, having an open house is a great thing because it gives people the chance to meet them where they are. So many people are moving here from all over the country. They come in for the weekend, they're flying out tonight, whatever. That gives them the chance to just pop in, and then I get to be the agent that meets them there, welcomes them, makes them feel like they're at home, answers any questions. And so it's a really fun part of my job that I loved getting to do.